In today's video, I'll be sharing with you the recipe for brain fog. So here with me, I have my beetroots, golden beets, and I'll be using the beets with the leaves, the whole thing in. I have two of this, or 1.5 if you need. I have one lemon, two apples, and my cantaloupe. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first I'll start by picking this up. My fruits are all properly washed and cleaned, and I'll be going in first with my beetroots. Let's go in you go. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I just need the blood circulating in the brain because I have an exam this week. I'm using this amount of ginger. Let's get the party started. Now, while our blender is doing its thing, let's quickly talk about the health benefits of this mix and how it even clears brain fog in the first place. So this vibrant mix of cantaloupe, apples, golden beets, lemon, and ginger offers a powerful mix of nutrients that can help deal with brain fog. So it's deeply hydrating and rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, quercetin, and beta-alanine, which reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. Now, natural nitrates from beets improve blood flow to enhance mental clarity, while ginger boosts circulation and supports the gut health as well as inflammation, both key to cognitive function. Now, together, these ingredients will help stabilize energy, support neurotransmitter production, and promote overall brain vitality, making this recipe a refreshing way to clear any mental cobwebs that you may have. I've tried this recipe several times and I assure you that it works. Would you be trying out this recipe? Please drop a comment down below. And if you have any recipe that you're sure deals with brain fog, please also let us know in the comment section down below. If you're in grad school, you shouldn't be sleeping on this recipe. If you have a tedious work, any job that demands high mental load, you shouldn't be sleeping on this recipe. You can as well just make this recipe, which is what I do for my friends when they are dealing with stuff that have mental load, right? I just make up this juice, package it, and send to them as a way to show love. Now, this is how much juice you're going to get from 2 apples, 1.5 beet because the other beet was really small, and 1 cantaloupe. Would you be trying out this recipe? Please let us know, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. By doing that, you support our channel and you're helping us grow. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I'll see you again in the next one.